How to enable message requests from server member you may not know on Discord. Hello guys, today we'll show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys and you open Discord as usually. Then when your Discord is opening, you will just go down and open your profile here. Then when you open your profile, you just go to privacy and safety and click. Then you will go down to message request and you go to enable message request from server member you may not know. You will turn on this option by clicking here like this and then click yes, and now it will work with you. That's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you next video.